In this video we are going to break down the top 5 cordless drills, and give you our honest opinions about the best products on the market. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. Introducing the Black Plus Decker electric screwdriver, a must-have tool for DIY enthusiasts. With its compact and lightweight design, this cordless screwdriver is perfect for working in tight spaces without sacrificing comfort. The 3-position handle allows for easy maneuverability, while the spindle lock gives you enhanced control during manual screwdriving. Toggle between driving screws and removing them effortlessly with the forward/reverse switch. Equipped with a powerful 3.6 volts lithium-ion battery, this screwdriver holds its charge for up to 18 months, ensuring it's always ready to go when you need it. The package includes one Lee 2000 screwdriver, 2 hex shank screwdriver bits, and a charger. Get the Black Plus Decker electric screwdriver and take your DIY projects to the next level with ease and convenience. Desiree from Canada gave this product 5 stars and said, "Just what I wanted." If you're in need of a versatile and powerful cordless drill, look no further than the Bombser Cordless Drill Driver Set. This drill kit is packed with features that make it perfect for any DIY project or professional use. With its 3-in-1 system, you can easily switch between screwing, drilling, and hammer drilling, allowing you to tackle a wide range of materials including wood, metal, and plastic. The 372 Nm max torque ensures that you can handle even the toughest tasks with ease. The Bombser Cordless Drill offers 2 variable speeds, 0-550 RPM and 0-1850 RPM, so you always have the right amount of power for the job. Additionally, the 25+3-position clutch allows for precise control and accuracy when drilling and screwing. Equipped with a durable 2.0 Li-ion battery, this drill set provides long-lasting performance and comes with a battery indicator to keep you informed about the remaining power. With just a 1.5-hour charging time, you can quickly get back to work without any delays. The Bombser Cordless Drill Driver is also designed for convenience and comfort. The 3/8-inch keyless chuck makes changing bits a breeze, while the built-in LED light ensures visibility in dark environments. The soft grip handle provides a comfortable and balanced grip, reducing fatigue during extended use. With its quick chuck, durable battery, and versatile functionality, the Bombser Cordless Drill Driver Set is an essential tool for any DIY enthusiast or professional. Looking to upgrade your power tool collection? Look no further than the Greenworks Brushless Cordless Drill Impact Driver Combo Kit. This kit includes a half drill driver and a 1/4 hex impact driver, along with 2 batteries, 1 charger, an 8-piece bit set, and a convenient bag to keep everything organized. The half drill driver features a 2-speed transmission, offering precise speed control and torque adjustment for drilling holes and driving screws on different surfaces. With a torque of 310 Nm, 35 Nm, and an 18+1 position clutch, you'll have the power and control you need for any project. The 1/4 hex impact driver boasts a quick release hex collet, variable speed trigger, and a torque of 1950 Nm, 220 Nm. Its compact design makes it perfect for work in small or tight spaces. Plus, the built-in LED work light illuminates your workspace for increased visibility. One of the standout features of this combo kit is its highly efficient brushless motor and 2.2 Ah batteries. Not only do these deliver more power at 2x more torque, but they also provide cooler operation at high speeds, enhanced battery runtime, and longer service life. Rest assured that your Greenworks tools will always be ready for use when you are weighing in at just 4.7 pounds. These power tools are lightweight and ergonomic. Everyone, including ladies, can control them with ease. The non-slip handle adds comfort during extended use. Get the Greenworks Brushless Cordless Drill Impact Driver Combo Kit today and experience the convenience and power it offers. Upgrade your tool collection with this compact, efficient, and reliable combo kit. Introducing the WorkPro Pink Home Toolkit with Drill, the perfect combination of style and functionality. This toolkit is not only practical but also supports a great cause. For every purchase of this pink tool set, WorkPro Tools is donating 25 cents to the National Breast Cancer Foundation Incorporated. By owning this kit, you'll have the chance to make a difference and help those affected by breast cancer. Don't be fooled by its cute pink design. This toolkit is built to last. Constructed from high-strength heat-treated CRV, it's resistant to corrosion and rust, ensuring durability and extended tool life. The pink drill driver is the star of this kit, featuring 2 speed settings and 19 torque options, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. From home maintenance to garage repairs, this drill kit has you covered. Included in this classic all-round pink toolkit are the most essential tools for daily home use. From the drill driver to bits, hammer, adjustable wrench, and other hand tools, everything you need is right at your fingertips. It's not just for ladies, this kit is designed for both men and women who appreciate quality tools. To top it off, all these tools come neatly organized in one convenient tool bag. With its wide mouth opening, finding your tools has never been easier. No more rummaging through a messy toolbox. So why settle for ordinary tools when you can make a difference with the Work Pro Pink Home Tool Kit? Get yours today and be part of something special while having all the tools you need for any project at home. If you're looking for a reliable and stylish power tool, the Pink Power Drill is the perfect choice. This cordless drill driver set is not only functional but also supports a great cause. With every purchase, Work Pro Tools donates 25 cents to the National Breast Cancer Foundation Incorporated, helping women affected by breast cancer. The Pink Power Drill is designed with your safety and convenience in mind. It weighs only 1.8 pounds, making it lightweight and easy to handle, especially for women and smaller individuals. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, and the trigger-activated LED light ensures extra security when working in dark areas. Whether you're hanging pictures, assembling furniture, or tackling DIY projects, this high-quality drill set is versatile enough to meet all your needs. The 3/8 keyless chuck allows for quick and easy accessory changes, while the forward/reverse control gives you complete control over screwing and bit replacement. Not only is this drill functional, but it also makes for a perfect gift. Whether it's Christmas, Mother's Day, a birthday, or any other occasion, the Pink Power Drill is sure to impress your mom, wife, girlfriend, daughter, or independent friend. Get the Pink Power Drill today and empower yourself with style and functionality while supporting breast cancer awareness. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video on the top 5 cordless drills. We hope it was helpful. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.